Why you draw Papa like that? What happened to my ears? Why only one? Why? Yagaan yung bataan eh. Buguyan mo
It
lang eh.
needs another.
Oh yes, you need to draw.
Another.
Oh, Papa, no ears, no nose. So.
What is this?
Bang! You need to finish it. Di na finish your assignment. Show it to Mama later.
They have no another ear. It doesn't have one ear. And this is
Bataan yung drawing. Ah.
oh, it has one.
Okay.
Oh.
Draw it, draw.
Oh.
More ni estudyante, iga-igaon.
More ear? Huh? What did you have one?
Only two, not more.
Let's make a more ear. And it's not gonna disappear. Let's make it another one ear. You have two ears and two ears and one ear.
No good. You're no good. You're no good to Papa. Very bad boy.
Like this.
Yes.
They got ears.
Saan naman yung dalugan na eh. Yagaan ni bataan.
Uh-oh. They had missing another hole
Another hole?
with an ear.
Where?
It's nothing in there with a hole. You have one hole.
One hole?
You have one ear hole.
You have one ear hole? No.
We need to make
Make what you make.
another hole.
Another hole? Which one?
Like this.
Yaga-yaga all ni bataan eh.
Yuppie.